teachers, parents, and my dear friends. I am Achika from class 9A and he is my friend Roshan. And today, all the students of class 9A are going to present a class presentation on the topic regularity and punctuality are two landmarks of personality. I know that no person can succeed. Here, the students are going to present a small act of regularity and how irregularity leads to failure. Scene 1. In this scene, at home, there is a boy whose name is Varun and he is fond of sleeping. See, Varun is sleeping. Wake up, son. You have to go to school.
Mama, just 5 minutes more.
It's your everyday drama. Wake up and get quickly ready for school.
He is continuously sleeping. After some time, mothers come.
Still, you are not ready.
Auntie, where is Arun? We are getting late for the school.
He is not ready yet.
You go, I am coming in 5 minutes.
You will again reach late to the school.
Now it's time to school and teacher teaching in the class.
Good morning, students. Now give your attendance. Abhishek, Faizan, Anurag, Yash, Varun. Is Varun late again?
Yes, ma'am, is all that he is coming.
Ma'am, may I come in?
Varun, you take a lot of holidays. Whenever you come, you are late. Get permission from the principal, sir. Then you will be allowed to sit in the class.
Varun went to the principal office to get the permission.
I want to meet the principal, sir.
Okay, wait. I shouldn't come to meet you first.
Okay, let him come in.
Okay, go now.
Sir, may I come in? Come in. Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Sir, today I am late. Give me permission to sit in the class.
Oh, you are again late. This is the last warning. Next time you will not be allowed in the class.
Sorry, sir. Ma'am, may I come in?
Have you taken permission?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, sit down.
Now it's time to math examination in a class and it's time to submit the copies. Now it's time to declare of the marks.
Abhishek, your score is 10 out of 10. Anurag, 10. Faizan, 9. Yes, 7. Varun, 0. You are failing the exam because your work is never completed on time. And you are irregular in the class and also displayed.
As you all can see, Varun failed in the exam because of his irregular and indisciplined behavior towards his work. So to be successful in any field of your life, you need to be regular, punctual and disciplined.
Now here we present a beautiful dance on being punctual on life.
Not the Opportunities are readily present and it makes impossible things possible. Here is a small play where we are presenting how missing an opportunity leads to failure. Act 2.
Scene 1.
In school, here comes the teacher.
Good morning, students.
Good morning, ma'am.
Today I am going to announce a good news about our school. There is an inter-school exhibition. The students who are interested in this, please tell me.
I will participate. I will also participate.
You all will be grouped and your topic is solar system.
Yeah.
At the evening in the Samir's home.
Auntie, Samir is not here. 30 minutes wasted. I am still working.
Oh, it's okay. Wait until he comes.
1 hour later.
Oh, sorry, Scott. I am late because I have taken a nap.
Oh, it's okay.
After the work, next day in Samir's home.
Okay, sorry, Scott. I am late today because I was playing with my sister.
Oh, it's okay. Join now. I have started working.
Like this, the day passed, and the half of the work done by Scott and one part is done by Samir.
On the exhibition day. So students, let me introduce our examiner who will inspect your work. This is Mr. Gesta.
Yes, students, good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Your work is nice. Good luck for our result, especially Samir and Scott.
On the result day, Samir is late due to the habit of getting late. They were placed at the first prize, but only it is given to Scott because Samir was late.
May I come in?
Come in. As you come late, there is a bad news. You was placed in the first prize, but only Scott has taken it. As you come late, and pictures were also taken for the magazine. You was not present. Only Scott was there. This is your last warning.
Sorry, ma'am. I will never be late again.
Okay, sit down.
It is punctuality and regularity that keeps you ahead in front of others and make you successful.
As punctuality always provides you a chance to grab the opportunities. So try to inculcate the habit of being punctual to be prosperous in life. Let me tell you a beautiful story, class, which will help you to understand the Samir situation in the better way. Once there lived a grasshopper. The grasshopper always loved to play. Now the story is going to start. Grasshopper is playing.
Why you always keep playing? Why don't you do some meaningful work?
I don't like to do anything except playing.
His friends,
Okay.
his friends were tired of asking him to do his work, but he never listened to them.
When the other would be working, the grasshopper would disturb them. Everybody was upset with the grasshopper. One day, an ant gave an announcement.
Listen, very soon it will start snowing and everybody should store food. We will not be able to go out for 5 months in search of food. Everybody in the forest started working except the grasshopper. He got ready for work, but he finally did not go for work. Suddenly he sees ants.
Dear aunts, will you play with me? You know that all my friends go for work. But I love to play. In fact, I can play whole day.
Not now. We are busy. Don't disturb us. We are collecting food for winter.
But it's not that ridiculous. Winter is so far away. Come friend, let's play.
If we play now, we will not be able to collect enough food. We will play with you, but only after we finish our work. The ants continue with their work.
How foolish these aunts are. But what shall I do now? With whom shall I play?
Grasshopper looks around. He spots some squirrel running to and fro. He runs to the squirrel.
Will you play with me?
No, we are busy with our work, so this is not a time for us to play. The squirrels look at each other, smile and run away.
These squares are no fun at all. I must look for someone else to play with me.
In fact, he went to the neighboring field to find some friends. Far away, he noticed a rabbit.
Good morning, rabbit. Will you play with me?
No, I can't do that. The winter months are coming and I have to store the food before that. If I don't do that, then I will starve.
Okay, I must look for someone else to play with me.
The grasshopper spots some bees on a sunflower. He walks up to them.
Hey, bees. Dear bees, let's play a game of hide and seek.
No, we don't have any time for the game now. We are collecting honey.
But you can do this later. Today is such a sunny day.
It is on a sunny day that all flowers bloom. If we play today, how will we fill our hives with honey for winter?
We will play only after we have completed our work.
No one knows how to enjoy. Why should they work on such a beautiful day? They can easily play today and work on some other day. Anyhow, I shall play alone.
The grasshopper came back to the forest and played on his own till he became tired. Then an ant came to him.
There are only few days left winter to set in. Why don't we start at working?
I have a lot of time.
Okay.
As they went by, the grasshopper started starving. He was almost dying. One ant came to him and said,
Take it, grasshopper, take it. You should have worked when there was time, and you should have made a timetable and played after finishing your work.
The grasshopper felt very ashamed of himself and promised to spend time properly and not waste it. Here's the story end, and the teacher said, the scene 3.
So students, what they learn from the story? What a person should do to reach on the top? Faizan, firstly you tell.
Ma'am, in my personal opinion, maturity is the most difficult and most important tool to become successful for any human being.
Next.
A person who family values is to give time is always bound to surpass others.
Next.
We should always keep ourselves in time for our 2 ends meal. We should always keep ourselves in time for our wake up and sleep, etc. It is correctly mentioned, play while you play, work while you work. That is the way. Be happy and glad, time wait for none.
Next.
We should always respect time because each and every moment is valuable. We should not waste your time.
Yes, students, you are right. We should not waste our time and always maintain our speed with non-stop clock and always remain regular and punctual in future.
Great men have always understood the value of punctuality. All the great men have been leading a very highly punctual life. Mahatma Gandhi, father of the nation, he is the man of punctuality and spirituality. Here we present a truth. We represent a beautiful act of one of the Mahatma Gandhi's life incident. See, Bapuji is coming.
Yes, sir.
Bapuji is presentation. He is a student.